Welcome friend to my channel Learning Solution. In the previous video we have created the master page and we have included the 4 pages there, that was the new bank entry, new branch entry, new customer entry and the report generation. So in this video we will first of all we will design this new bank entry and then we will code for this bank entry. So let's start with the Visual Studio. Here this is the bank entry, just double click on this. And this is the content placeholder 1 in which we have given its ID as a title. So in this what we will do, we will give the title for this page, that is new customer entry, and this is the main content. Here whatever we want to display in our web page, that we will write. So for that, first of all I will include a center tag. In between this center tag I will take a label and I will change its text to bank name. After that I will take a text box. The ID for this text box is text box 1, and after that we will take a button and I will change its text to submit. Now switch to the design view. Right, it's look better. Now we will include the database. So for that we will click on this connect to the database and we will browse our database, which is banking system, and test the connection. Click on OK, again on OK. After that we will go in the property of this database and we will copy its connection string. We need to paste this connection string on every page. So instead of doing that, what we will do, we will copy this in the web.config file and we will call this on every page. So double click on this web.config file. Inside this connection string you need to give the name, add name. For example, this is the same what you need to do, because I have already done this, so I am not doing again. Here you need to give add. After that you need to give the name for this database, that is here I am giving it as a bank. You can give any name whatever you want. After that you need to give the connection string, that is you need to copy and paste that property connection string here only, and after that you need to give the provider name is equal to system.data.oldb and close this web.config file. Now double click on this submit button and you need to include 2 namespaces, that is one for the access database and the second for the web.config file, that is configuration manager. So we will write using system.data.oldb, and again we will write using system.configuration. After that, before the public void page load, we will create the connection instance. So we will write oldb connection con is equal to new oldb connection, and inside the parameter we will pass this configuration manager. So we will write configuration manager dot connection strings. Here in parameter you need to give the name whatever you have given for the database in web.config file dot connection string and close this bracket. After that in button1_click event we will write, first of all we will open this connection. So we will write con.open. After that we will create the command object. So we will write oldb command cmd is equal to new oldb command. After that we need to connect this command object with the connection. So we will write cmd dot connection is equal to con, and we will write our query. So we will write cmd dot command text is equal to insert into table bank, field name is bank name, and the values is inside single quote, double quote, and plus plus symbol. We will write text box 1 dot text. Now we will write cmd dot execute none query to execute this statement, and after this we will give a message to the user that the bank is created. So we will write response dot write. We will include a script tag here, and we will write alert bank created, and we will close this script tag. Now we will close this connection. So we will write con dot close. Before executing this, I just want to delete this account.spx, because in the question it is saying that the form should contain the hyperlink for new customer entry, and we have renamed it as account entry. So I will just delete this account entry, and I will create a new form with the name customer entry. So select this and click delete. Click on OK. Now inside the solution explorer, click on your project and choose add a new item. Select web form using master page and give the name as customer entry.spx. Click on add. Select this site.master and click on OK. Now if you remember, we have given the link for these forms in site.master. So we will open this site.master, and here we will change this account.spx to customer entry.spx. Yeah. Now we will try to execute this. Let's see. Now the page is loading. Okay. Why this is coming? Because we have not selected any default file which should be opened first when we will open our project. So at this time I am doing it manually. In the next time we will select this. So this is branch entry.spx. Sorry, we have not coded for the branch entry, that bank entry. And here we will give some bank name as ICICI and click on submit. See, the bank is created. Now we will close this, and we will also set this as a default page. So for that you need to select this bank entry and right click on this, and here set as a start page. Click on this set as a start page. Now it's done. See, now it's coming. This time suppose I want to add SBBJ. Click on submit, bank detail. So we have successfully done our bank entry form. In the next video we will do branch entry. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your colleagues. Thank you. Bye bye.